The Birthplace Trust started in 1847, the earliest literary house in the country, and we welcome people from all over the world, thousands of people each year, each day. Nice. And especially we work with young children as well to inspire them with Shakespeare's works and his life and times. But we're going to go through to this part of the house because this window tells a really important story. If you had been a visitor in the 1800s, you would have been lent a diamond ring, which would have allowed you to write your name on the glass. And of course, there are some famous names on this glass, including, for example, a great English actor called Sir Henry Irving. He was the first actor to be given a knighthood, to be made a Sir. That window is extremely important and precious, which is now carefully preserved.
Guys, remember that happens 3 times. It is my lady. It is my love. Oh, that she knew she were. All the heavens having some business to trick her eyes.
Use thy name, but thou wilt not.
To be or not to be, that is the question. And it's great to be able to read some Shakespeare in English in Shakespeare's birthplace, to commemorate that, to celebrate that, to mark it. Shakespeare's been translated into Chinese, of course. I can't read Chinese, but I completely admire translators who work closely with what is often quite difficult language and turn it into a new work in their own language. Tang Zhangzhu was presented to us as the author of the Peony Pavilion, which has similarities to Romeo and Juliet. And now, therefore, it's fascinating, isn't it, that in the international endeavour in the 1600s, or late 1500s into the 1600s, people in China and people in England wanted similar stories. That fascinates me.